ended up welding some sheet steel on top of this cart. I picked this up from work. They were going to throw it out, so I said heck with it, I'll take it. And I'm turning this into my welding cart, kind of like a new welding table. I'm going to put probably a little backsplash back here, fill in the space, not with weld of course, but you know, another piece of sheet metal, and probably clean this up with my plasma cutter, just round up the edges, etc., etc. I know I haven't really done much of my any TIG welding or MIG welding on here on my channel, so I figure, I don't know who's into it, if anybody wants to see it. So if you do, I taped some footage of it just so you guys could get a good laugh trying to watch me weld. But that's it. Hope everybody's doing good, and this weekend I should be milling some stuff on the milling machine via CNC. I got all of the well, not all of it, but I got most of it working properly. You know, you tell it to go an inch, it moves an inch now, so I think we're good to go with that. The only thing I have left to do, I'll show you what I got in the mail. This is the power supply I went with. It's a 48 volt 12.5 amp power supply. The thing's a monster, absolute monster. Problem I have is inside this box, the 36 volt that I've already got tied in, all the leads are on one side. On this one here, you have the AC in on one side and the DC on the other. So I'm gonna have to rewire the whole entire box if I use this. So I don't know. It's actually working with the 36 volt power supply, so I might just leave the 36 volt, and you know, if it starts to skip a couple steps somewhere, I'll worry about it then. But you know, if it's working, it's not broke, why bother fixing it, type of thing. But this weekend, I'm hoping to get some footage of this thing actually working, so you know, something to look forward to. Alright guys, talk to you later. Turn the gas on. trying to line everything up here.